Hey, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the price of Bitcoin is doing right now. So, for starters, you can see that we broke this very aggressive trend line on the 1st of August. Right during the close of 1st of August, we broke this trend line. So, we've been hovering around in this channel since then. So, we've been finding support at more or less the lower bar of this support line and resistance at the top bar. The resistance line has been formed right from the actual top. You could also see a bearish divergence right here between these two tops in the RSI chart. So maybe it's time for Bitcoin to take a breather right now, which is not the worst thing that could happen. For this bullish trend to continue, we need to set a higher low right now. And if this is the sustained correction that we are getting, we might able to be find support at the 50-day moving average, which comes around at $35,000. So if we find support at the 50-day moving average and try to move up from there, then I would be more bullish on the price of Bitcoin moving upwards as it validates the bullish trend continuation. So these are some things to look out for Bitcoin right now. Ethereum has been on a rally of its own, even though Bitcoin had a bit of a correction lately. And that is mainly due to the fact that tomorrow Ethereum has one of its biggest updates coming. So tomorrow might be a case when people sell the news, people buy the rumor and sell the news. So tomorrow that could happen, just giving out a warning to you guys. That is all for the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. If this channel breaks, it could provide a good opportunity for a trade setup. I find it hard to see this trend breaking towards the downside because this is already at a very high incline. So maybe we might break it to the upside. As you know, falling wedges often tend to break towards the upside. And we also have a bullish trend. So usually falling wedges continue the trend, break out in the direction of the trend. But it's too early to say. We are still in the channel. Let's wait and see to know what happens. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.